I'm gonna have some of this Kung Fu Girl Riesling. We're gonna have some delicious wine. So the hurricane is now past us, thank God. As of 1 p.m. today, I think it was, the government announced all clear, which is great news. It's now heading more west of us, a little bit like northwest, I guess. They say it's going to hit the Yucatan as a Category 4 hurricane, so pray for those guys for Mexico. Hopefully it doesn't do too much damage. But yeah, I think you would never know it was a hurricane now. I mean, that passed us, because the sun is shining now. It's going to be a nice sunset. It's just so thankful that it didn't hurt us, which is great. I have some of this wine. Cheers, guys. So as you can see, the sun is setting to the west. You have never known there was a hurricane past us. Cheers. Cheers, my love. God bless. God bless these Cayman Islands.